Are you ready to save big on your SiteGround web hosting purchase and grab a free domain name? Then this video is for you. Today, I'll be sharing the latest SiteGround coupon code discount that gets you up to 83% off SiteGround hosting plus a free domain name. Click the link in the description to instantly activate the SiteGround discount and get hosting for as low as $2.99 per month with a free domain name included. No need to enter a coupon code. The discount is automatically applied. A little disclosure, the link is an affiliate link, meaning I'll receive a commission from SiteGround at no extra cost to you. Plus you'll get an awesome SiteGround discount. Now let's go through the steps to claim your SiteGround discount. Once you click the link, you'll land on the SiteGround web hosting plans page. Click the Start Now button. You'll now see 3 different SiteGround plans. The startup plan for $2.99 a month, it's perfect for beginners. Includes 1 website, 10 GB storage, and 10,000 monthly visits. The Grow Big plan for $4.99 a month, the best value. Supports unlimited websites, 20 GB storage, 100,000 visits per month, 30% faster PHP, staging, and on-demand backups. The Go Geek plan for $7.99 a month, ideal for high traffic sites. Includes unlimited websites, 40 GB storage, 400,000 visits per month, plus everything the Grow Big plan comes with, staging plus Git, a free private DNS, highest tier of resources, white label available, and priority support. For the biggest SiteGround discount, choose the 12-month term at checkout under the purchase information section. This way, you'll unlock the full 83% off discount and get your free domain name. That's it. You now have SiteGround web hosting at an unbeatable price. Enjoy your SiteGround coupon discount, and if this video helped, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, drop a comment below if you have any questions, and subscribe for more SiteGround tutorials and web hosting videos.